children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn mathematics. So today we are going to learn exercise 5.6. It's given in page number 83. Okay children, we'll go into the sums. Okay, first what we are going to see is find the HCF of the following numbers. Find the HCF of the following numbers. HCF means what children? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. For exam till exercise 5.7 it will come. Understood children? Okay, in this today we are going to learn 5.6. HCF means highest common factor. Okay children? First we will do the first sum. How to find the HCF? How to find the HCF? First sum we are going to see. We have to find the HCF for 30 and 45. 30 and 45. Okay, see in the previous sums and all we wrote the tables like this, but we can't write the tables for every sums. Okay children, so we have to find in 30 in which table and all 30 goes. We have to find out. First we have to find the prime factors of the prime factors of 30. So first we have to find for 30. In what are the tables it goes? We have to write only the prime numbers. In the yesterday class we learned what are the prime numbers. 3, 5, 7, 13, 11 like that. What are the numbers divisible only by by the same number, its prime numbers. So we have to write the prime numbers only. So 30, how it goes? In 2 table it goes, in 3 table also it goes, and in 5 table also it goes. So when you multiply, 30 should come. See, 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. See, answer 30. Came or not children? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. These 3 are prime numbers only. These 3 are prime numbers only. Likewise, you have to see for 45. So in 45 also what will come? It goes in 3 tables and then again in 3 tables and then 5 tables. See, 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. See, these also prime numbers. 3 3s are 9 and 9 into 5, 45. Understood children? So likewise only you have to find out. The answer should come here. So what are the common factors? See here, common factors is see 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So first we have to write see the common factors. See, common factors or what are the numbers children? 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So what's the answer children? We have to now we have to find the HCF. See, find the HCF only is there. So the HCF of highest common factor of 30 and 45 is what children? How we have to find? See, 3 and 5 are there. So what you have to write? 3 and 5. 3 and 5 how much? 15. So what's the answer? The highest common factor of 30 and 45 is what? 15. What's the answer? 15. You have to multiply these 2 common factors. We have to, if you multiply these 2 common factors, we get 15. Okay children, we'll move on to the second sum. Okay children, now we'll see the second sum. Second sum 15 and 27. 15 and 27. So the prime factors of 15, what will come children? 3 5s are 15. 3 5. This also prime factor, this also prime factor. 3 5s are 15. Likewise we have to find out for 27. So 27 how it goes means see 3 into 3 into 3. Because we can't put 9. 9 is not a common prime factor. Okay children. So 9 3s are 27 we can't put. So only see 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Understood children? Here 3 5. Because here 5 is the common prime factor. So I have written 5. Understood children? So we have to find out like this only. So common factor is what? 3 only. Common factor is 3. Only 3 is there. Isn't it children? Common factor is 3. Common factor is 3. Common factor is 3. So what's the HCF, children? The HCF also will be the same. The HCF of, we have to write this sentence like this. The HCF of 15 and 27 is 3. Understood, children? Because only one number is common factor. So the highest common factor of 15 and 27 is 3. Okay, children? We'll do the third sum. Okay, children, we see the third sum. Third sum, 20 and 35. 20 and 35. We have to use the prime factor numbers as prime numbers, and we have to do this sum. So 20 goes, see, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, and then 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Likewise for 35. 35, see, only 5 into 7 will go. 5 into 7 will go. 5 7s are 35. It doesn't go in 3 table and all. So 5 7s are 35. So what is the common factor, children? Only this 5 is the common factor. What is the common factor? Common factor is 5. Common factor is 5. Common factor is 5. So what's the answer, children? The HCF of 20 and 35 is 5. The highest common factor is 5. Okay, children, you have to be thorough in the prime numbers, and you have to do this sum. And then what you have to do, 10 sums are there, but I have given only few sums. If you want, what you can do, you can do it in the rough note. You can do all the sums in your rough book at home. So the fourth sum I will give as a homework. Fourth sum I will give as a homework. Many of them are not doing the homework. While I corrected, some of them gave the homework sum as it is. They didn't do the sums. Why, I don't know. See, 24 and 96. 24 and 96. This is for your homework, children. This is for your homework. Okay, children? Okay, children, now we move on to the B1. Find the HCF by the prime factorization method. It is also the same like what we saw in the A. Understood that HCF we saw now the same method only. Understood? No other change. So I am teaching only 2 sums. Don't think that Miss has taught only 2, because the same method only for that also. So first we have to do the prime factors of the prime factors of, first we have to see the 20. So in how we have to use the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? It goes again 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Isn't it? We saw the same sums. And then 32. 32. When you multiply this one, this answer we should get. When you multiply this one, if you get this answer only, your answer sum is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay. So here 32 means what? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 2s are 32. So how many 2s are there? 5 2 has come. Because, okay, what's the common number will come, children? Here 1 2 and here 1 2. Isn't it? 2. Others you can't put. So what's the answer will come? The HCF of 20 and 32 is 2 into 2. How much, children? 4. So what's the answer? 4. The HCF of 20 and 32 is 4. This is the answer. We have to multiply this number. Understood? 2 into 2. Understood, children? So the sum as it is in the first one only. So only one more sum I will teach, and then we will go on to the third one. Okay, children? Okay, children, we will see the second sum, 12 and 36. So what we have to do? We have to find the prime factors. The prime factors of 12. So what are the prime numbers we have to use for 12, children? Easy. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4. What will come? 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Otherwise you can put 2 2s are 4. Another 2 also, like this also you can put 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. But it won't come. So you have to write only 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, children. Otherwise you have to, it will be wrong. So next 36. So 36, what are the prime numbers we have to use? 2 into 2, 4, and then 4 3s are 12, and 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. See, 12 into 3, what will come, children? 36. Okay, children. You have, after writing like this, you have to multiply and you have to check whether this sum is, the answer is coming, 36 is coming or 12 is coming. You have to check it. So that it will be easy for you. Okay, children. So what are the common factors, children? See, here also 2, this is common factor, and see this also 2, and then see here 3. So 2, 2, 3. Isn't it, children? So what's the answer? The HCF, highest common factor of 12 and 36 is, see, 2 into 2 into 3. So what's the answer will come, children? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what's the answer, children? 12. The highest common factor of 12 and 36 is 12. Okay, children, you have to multiply this one. Okay, children. So I didn't give homework for this one because the same sum as it is. So I didn't give homework. But what you can do, you can practice at home. Understood, children? We will move on to the C. We will move on to the C sum. Okay. Okay, children. Now we'll see the C one. Find the HCF by the division method. Children, it is little bit hard, but you have to do. You have to practice at home. You have to do in rough note and see. Otherwise, it's very hard. Children, see, first sum you are going to see 24 and 40. So, see, you have to do this both the sum by division method. Listen carefully, okay, children. The biggest number should be inside the dividend, and 24 will be the divisor. Okay, children. See, here 40 will be coming inside. This is dividend, and then 24 is the divisor. So what we can do, we have to divide. Instead of putting the answer quotient above, you have to put in the side. You have to put in this side. So here 40 is there, here 24 is there. So 24 ones are 24 and 24 twos are what, children? 48 will come. So can we put 48 here? No. So what will come? 24 ones are 24. 24 ones are 24. So what's the remainder, children? We can't subtract 4 from. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. This will become 10 and this 4 will become 3. So after 4, if you count up to 10, what will come, children? After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what's the answer? 6. And then here 3 minus 2, what will come, children? 1. So here 16. Listen all of you carefully. So when it comes 16, what you have to do? You have to make this answer remainder as a divisor. This answer as the divisor. This remainder as the divisor. And what you have to do? You have to put like this. And you have to again here. So when you put the remainder as the divisor, you have to bring this 24 as the dividend. You have to bring this 24 as the dividend. Listen carefully, children. See, this remainder is the divisor and this divisor became the dividend. This divider became the dividend. So now 16 twos are what will come, children? 16 twos are 6 twos are 12 and 1 is 32 will come. So you can't put 32. Can we put 32, children? No. So again what will come? 1. 16 ones are 16. So after 60, can you count? No. So you have to borrow. This will become 14 and this will become 1. After 6, you count up to 14, children. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8. And 1 minus 1, 0 will come, isn't it? So now again what you have to do, children, or what I said, this remainder will become what? Divisor, and then what will become the dividend? This 16 will become the dividend. Understood, children? This 16 will become the dividend. Now in 8 table 16 goes, isn't it? 8 2s are 16. So 16 minus 16, 0. So what's the answer, children? Any guess? No. What's the answer? Which is the divisor? Last divisor is the answer. The last divisor is the answer. Understood, children? The HCF of 24 and 40 is 8. Understood, children? The last divisor is the answer. Okay, children? Can you do another sum, children? Okay, children? We'll see the second sum. See, here also 34, 96. So, what, children, you have to write inside? The dividend is 96 and the divisor is 34. So, you have to write like this. So, 34 2s are what, children? 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. 34 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 102 is coming. So, can we put 102 here? No. So, you have to write 34 2s are 68. So, you have to subtract. After see, 6 will become 16 and 9 will become 8. So, after 8, if you count up to 16, what will come, children? 8 will come. 8 minus 6, 2. So, what's the answer? Remainder 28. So, what I said, this remainder will become divisor and this 34 will become dividend. And don't forget, children, don't get confused. See, this will become divisor and this will become dividend. So, again automatically what will come? 28 ones are 28. So, when we subtract, we can't subtract, isn't it? So, what will come? 14 and this 3 will become 2. After 8, if you count up to 14, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 will come. 2 minus 2, 0. So, what will come, children, again? This will become divisor and what you have to do? This 28 will become dividend. This 28 will become dividend. Now, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30 will come. So, we can't write. So, what will come? 28 minus 24, what will come? The answer, remainder is 4. So, again what we have to do? This will become the divisor and then 6 will become dividend. 6 will become dividend. So, here 4 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. Can we put 4 2s are 8? No. So, 4 1 is 4. So, 6 minus 4, what will come, children? 2. Now, this 2 becomes the divisor and then this 4 will become dividend. So, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So, children, can you know what is the answer, children? The last divisor is 2. The last divisor is 2. So, what's the answer, children? The HCF of 34 and 96 is what, children? 2. This is the answer. Understood, children? So, one more sum, only one more sum I will teach and one I will give for homework. Okay, children, you see the last sum, which is the dividend, children? 126 is the dividend. The bigger number will be the dividend and the smaller number will be the divisor. So, here also what will come? See, 96 2s are 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 19 will come, isn't it? So, you can't write this one. So, what you have to write? 1. 96, 1, 9, 96 ones are 96. Don't write 9 here, children. Okay. 6 minus 6, 0. After 9, if you count up to 12, what will come? 10, 11, 12, 3. So, what's the answer? 30. So, what will become, children? This will become divisor and the dividend will be this number, 96. Okay children, now 33s are what? 90. 33s are 90. See, 30 into 3s are what? 90 will come. Okay children? Okay. So what's the remainder? 6. So this 6 will become the divisor and this 30 will become dividend. So in 6 tables 30 goes, isn't it children? 6 5s are 30. So 30 minus 30 what children? 0. So what's the last divisor? 6. So what's the answer? The HCF of 96 and 126 is what? 6. This is the answer. Okay children, and I'll give only one sum for homework. The fourth sum I'll give for homework. You have to do only 2 sums, only few sums I'm giving. Understood children? Homework. Homework. Fourth sum. 57, 114. 57 and 114. Children, will you do these sums children? All of you do these sums. And kindly send me to the WhatsApp. If you are feeling hard to send in Google Classroom, send it in WhatsApp. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Bye.